everybody, this is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn, and today we're going to be doing a general reading for my lovely Leos for December 2018. Now when I say general reading, guys, this is going to cover your love, your career, your soul story, what's going on for December. For a limited time only, I am offering free readings. Yes, free readings. Anybody who subscribes to my channel and shares any one of my videos to social media can qualify for a free reading. Once you guys have done those two things, my email is below. Email me with the question that you have. Once I've seen you've subscribed and shared one of my videos to social media, I will do a one-card drawing from the messages from the angels. I'll take a picture of that card and I will email it to you, as well as give you some insight on what that card means regarding your situation. Okay, so let's get started. I always like to go over with what's going on with the planets and the moon for each month, because if it doesn't play out directly through the cards, it just gives you a little bit of heads up, okay, on what kind of energies you could see with you and your partners, okay, for the month of December. Okay, on the 2nd of December, we have Venus is entering Scorpio. Venus is the ruler of love, beauty, romance, the arts in Scorpio, the zodiac sign that likes to shake things up, okay? Afterlife, death, a new beginning, okay guys? So you might see yourself kind of fall in love with the arts again, maybe have a renewal in your relationships, maybe say goodbye to those toxic relationships that don't serve you anymore. Embrace this energy, okay? On the 6th of December, we have Mercury is turning direct in Scorpio. Now, I know we could all do without those retrogrades, right? Those retrogrades are really just for you to take a step back and make sure your relationship, career, or love really are serving you and the ones around you, okay? All right, on the 7th of December, we have a new moon in Sagittarius, all right, guys? And on the 12th, we have Mercury is entering Sagittarius. So it's a busy month for my Scorpios and my Sagittarians. If you have a friend or a partner, you might see a little bit of energy change with them, but you know what? You're going to embrace it too. Mercury is the trickster planet, okay, about conversation, communicating, events, okay, in Sagittarius, the I don't take no bullshit zodiac of the zodiac sign, okay? All right, so embrace that, all right, guys? If you find yourself on your soapbox during this time, you are going to speak your words clearly and with truth, okay? So just make sure whatever it is that you want to change in your life, that it is for the best of you, because you're just going to come out and say it. If not, others around you will, because it doesn't just affect you, that energy, it affects everybody, all of the zodiac signs, okay? On the 22nd of December, we have a full moon in Cancer, and Cancer's ruler is, in fact, the moon. So it might be a little bit emotional during this time. Also, you still have Mars is still in Pisces, okay? Mars, a very masculine, sex-driven planet in Pisces, which is a very feminine, healing energy, okay? So it's going to shake things up. If some of you guys find yourself dating, you might want to put a label on the relationship, okay? If you find yourself wanting to change a career, okay, you might do so during this time. Just make sure that, like I said, it's done in good energy, it's done in good karma, and it is what you are seeking in life before you just go for it. All right, guys? So let's get started. I'm going to pull a couple cards from the Rider-Waite deck, as well as I'm going to pull one from a message from the angels, okay? All right. If you guys would like to book a private reading with me, all you have to do is email me, okay? I do over the phone, Facebook, pre-recorded, email, just let me know. All right, guys? And you get to choose any deck, too, as well. All right, so what is going on for my lovely, passionate Leos? Your element is fire. You guys are of the 5th house. Your ruler is the sun, okay? So what's going on for my Leos? All right. So we're starting off with the 5 of Pentacles. Some of you guys might feel like you're a victim right now. It could be of your career. It could be with a past relationship. A lot of you guys are feeling like the victim, feeling broken. You are moving on from a situation that really traumatized you, okay? You could see here that these two figures here, they're not looking so hot. This also could be a card that represents that you are going to be very charitable this month, okay? 'Tis the season too, with the holidays coming around the corner. So if you are not coming from a victimized state of mind, this could you be being a leader, donating for Toys of Tots, or you're the local SPCA, whatever it is, it's going to make a difference, okay? And for some of you guys that are coming from that very victimized state of mind, let's get through it, okay? Let's all get through it together. There's a very strong community family here on Spiritual Findings. Comment below. I am fast to reply back. Let me get this card here that flew out. We have the Page of Swords, and I'll tell you what, this card right here has been popping up for my last two readings, which was a Sagittarius and a Pisces. So, with the Page of Swords going on, there's going to be some news. It could be about authority. It could be about just about how you speak. It could be your relationships, past or present. Okay, whatever it is, we're going to embrace it. Okay, take the good for the better, should I say. Okay, don't focus on the negative energy, because we all know negative energy just attracts negative energy. Okay, read my shirt, guys. Winning vibes only. Let's embrace that for December, okay, and for the year 2019. All right, let's continue, shall we? All right. Ooh, let's see. All right, so we have I'm sorry, we have the Nine of Wands, and we have the Fool. Now, for some of you guys that are coming from a very dark place, it could have been a toxic relationship. It could even have been the death of a loved one. You kind of have your guard up here. You could see that some people represent, this is a fence that he has put up to protect himself, and you could see that he has a wand in hand. This is about love, your inspirations, your passions in life. For some of you guys who did have a loved one passed, you're kind of holding on to that grief. For some of you guys who have had a toxic ex that literally just leached all of your energy, maybe even your finances, you're still having your guard up and you're not letting anything good come through. We want to put down that barrier. We want to learn to love again, and we want to embrace what it is that we want for our career choice, okay? For some of you guys who have a boss that is really just a freaking jerk, let's move on. Let's go somewhere where we are appreciated. Maybe some of you guys want to go back for school. Maybe some of you guys want to get some training. Maybe just surround yourself with people who make you feel comfortable and not like you have to have your guard up. Okay, guys? Let's embrace that. Because you know what we have next? We have the Fool. Now, I'm not calling you a fool, all right? The Fool is the first, and also, some people say, the last card of the deck. So this is a new beginning. This is a chance to start over again. Some of you guys might be older. Some of you guys might be well into your 50s, 60s, 70s and think, there's not a new beginning for me, Vera. I'm too old for this. Bullshit. Okay? Bullshit. There's a new beginning for anybody at any point in life, okay? Young, old, it could be anything, okay? This could be you just packing up your bags and leaving, finding a new location that suits you. Maybe going on vacation, starting over again, okay? Some of you guys might just be dipping into your spiritual side, your spiritual beliefs. There's a lot ahead of you, and if you don't embrace it, you're never going to find it. Okay, Leo? Alright? So embrace it. Pack up your bags. Be that fool. Even if it's just for a day, for a week, for a month, for a year. You know, when it comes to regrets, when people get older, a lot of people find themselves saying, I would rather look at back at something and regret it than to regret not doing it at all. So now's the time. Now's the time for change, okay? Do it, Leo. Because I know you guys are just so passionate about everything that you do, that whatever it is your calling. If you're ignoring it, it's unhealthy for you, and it's unhealthy for everybody that surrounds you, your family, your spouse, your coworkers. If you're not embracing yourself, everybody can feed off of that energy. So you need to do something for yourself. Take a vacation, go on a shopping spree, go for a walk. Okay, go build a snowman, whatever it is, all right? You need to embrace it. Be the fool and be the most beautiful, passionate one you can be, all right? Whew. I feel like a lot of my Leos, we're coming into a new chapter here. We're really embracing what life is giving us, okay? We're really letting go of the toxic energy and embracing what is there and making the best of it and making it beautiful, because that's what you guys do. All right. So let's see here. We got one from the angels. For my lovely Leos, your element is fire. Your ruler is the sun. You guys are of the 5th house. Very passionate. You guys enjoy the arts, beauty, passionate romances. Now is your time to shine. So let's see here. What do we got going on? One card for my Leos. 2 of fire. You have come into your own. New partnerships or contracts continue to move forward. I shit you not. This is what the card says. After all of that spiel that I gave you, the angels just right there. You have come into your own. New partnerships or contracts continue to move forward. Don't let whatever it is get you down, because you are in a new path. There are new and brighter things ahead for you. I feel the passion behind this. The 2 of fire, this card coming in after this reading, should literally just be the icing on the cake for you guys, okay? Go forth, okay? There are a lot of things in life that are worth thinking about, but nothing in life is worth worrying about, and you need to remember that. You need to embrace it. You need to embrace your beautiful self. Be the fool, okay? All right, Leos, even if it's just for a day, let loose. What is it that is calling you? What are your passions? Seize the moment, okay? Don't let it slip by, because you might not get another one like it. All right. Woo, I just feel that passion. All right, guys, so that pretty much sums it up for December 2018 for my lovely Leos. If you guys would like to book a reading, all you have to do is email me, and I hope that you guys take advantage of those free readings. If you guys have already subscribed to this channel, the free readings still apply for you. All you have to do is share one of my videos to social media, okay, and email me below with your question. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful, passionate December.